So let's learn the rational algebraic expression. This is an introduction to this topic. So ano nga ba ang rational algebraic expression? Remember that rational algebraic expression is a ratio of two polynomials p over q where q is not equal to 0. So meron tayong restriction na ang denominator ay bawal maging 0 because it will make the expression undefined. So for example, meron tayong x squared plus 4 all over x plus 2. So notice that meron tayong numerator na x squared plus 4 at meron tayong denominator na x plus 2. And as you can notice, ang ating numerator ay polynomial. Okay, so ano nga ba ulit ang polynomial? A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication with a non-negative integer exponent of the variable. So, sa madaling sabi, kung tatandaan lang natin para masabi natin na ang expression ay isang polynomial, alisin natin yung mga bawal sa kanya. Una, bawal ang negative na exponent, na integer exponent. Okay? Pangalawa, bawal ang fractional exponent. At pangatlo, bawal ang may radicals. Okay? Bawal magkaroon ng radical ang ating term, ang variable term natin because that will make the exponent of the given variable a fraction. So, with that in mind, madali na lang nating malaman if the given expression is a polynomial or not. Now, our denominator x plus 2 is also considered a polynomial. So, meaning, a polynomial divided by another polynomial is what we know as the rational expression. Here are examples of a rational expression. X over y. Obviously, a polynomial divided by a polynomial. Another example is the example earlier. Next is 1 over 4 minus x squared. Okay lang na 1 ang ating nasa taas because remember, 1 is a monomial. It is a constant and it is also considered a polynomial. Next is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 all over x plus 1. Again, the numerator is a polynomial, okay? And the denominator is a polynomial. Also, we can also express 5x plus 1 as 5x plus 1 over 1. And that makes this also a rational expression. Because even without writing 1 as a denominator, obviously, alam natin na meron, and that makes this, okay, this expression a rational expression. So what are the non-examples of a rational expression? This one, obviously, bawal tayong magkaroon ng radicals, no, doon sa variable because again, this will make the variable, okay, the exponent of the variable a fraction. Another, x raised to negative 3 plus 2 all over 2. This part makes the expression not a polynomial kasi negative ang exponent. So bawal na agad. Next one is same case dun sa ating first example na may radicals na ang ating variable na x ay nasa radical, so bawal pa rin yun na pag nasa radicand yung ating variable. The last here is this. Mapapansin natin that 1 over x here is not a polynomial. So this makes the expression a complex. Okay? So that's it. So as a practice, you can check whether these expressions represent a rational expression or not by putting a check or an X. You may get back to this slide after knowing the answer by yourself. So here, number 1, this is an example. Number 2 is another example, but number 3 is not an example. I hope that you learn something about the properties of a rational expression. See you again sa ating susunod na lesson. Maraming salamat sa panonood.